Hi, I'm Candace from Topcon University. I'm going to show you how to perform an assessment of blink rate using the MYAH. Useful information to consider alongside tear breakup time. Select Blink Mode from the Acquisition menu. With the patient in position, move the MYAH towards them until one eye is clearly in focus. Do not tell the patient you are assessing their blinking, as it is likely to alter their blink behavior. Press the joystick button to begin acquisition. Capture a minimum of 4 blinks, then press the joystick button again to end acquisition. There is no need to assess the other eye because both eyes naturally blink together. When the capture is complete, the average interblink interval, standard deviation, duration of capture, and blinks per minute are shown on the screen. This data can be accessed via the Measurements tab and is discussed in a later video. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit Topcon University.